Hey everybody, this is A&N Sports Cards coming at you with another 2-box Bowman Inception break. Jason B, Fieldlevelview, picked boxes 2 and 8, actually because there were the only boxes left. So, good luck, Jason. Good luck. I would hope something nice, at least. I was actually in a case break earlier where there was nothing really. I wouldn't consider anything a case set. At least in this one, the Polanco, I would consider a case set. I mean, that one's actually thicker than this one, so we'll do that one next. So it's going to be number 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Here we go. Number 2 is going first. And it's going to be a bat relic for James Ramsey. James Ramsey. You got an auto to 25. Good luck. Jorge Bonifacio, numbered to 25. 4 of 25, Inception, silver ink. Here's some money back. We're going to go this way. Rafael Montero for the Mets. Leonardo Molina for the Yankees. He's going to be a good player. He's getting lazy with his autograph already, but he's going to be a good player. And Oscar Mercado for the Cardinals. Oscar Mercado for the Cardinals. And this one was a little thicker. It might be one of those Bowman is back cards, which it is. Look at that. That's how well I know this product. Gary Sanchez, Bowman is back. We've got Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Another silver ink. Good luck. Alberto Mejia, and it looks like you will be contacting Topps. Wow. Look at that. And behind him, we got Mika Johnson. Eric Aiello for the Yankees. And Luke Jackson for the Rangers. Yeah, Field Level, I would definitely contact Topps on that. That's rough. So thank you again, Fieldlevelview. For those of you guys watching, ANNSportscards.com. Also, don't forget to follow.